Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting saved workouts recorded with your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Once you finish recording an activity on your watch, it will automatically be saved in your Health app on your iPhone. If you want to remove a saved workout, here is how you do it. Open the Health app on your phone. Scroll down to the Workouts widget and tap on it. On the Workouts page, scroll right down to the bottom and select Show All Data. This shows every workout entry on your Health app. Tap on one to see more info about it so you can find the right workout you want to delete. Once you know which one you want to delete, tap the Edit button at the top right, and then tap the red minus button beside the workout you want to remove. Then tap Delete. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.